In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record restaurant sales in QuickBooks. Whether you run a cafe, food truck, or full-service restaurant, the goal is the same. Capture each sale clearly, apply the right tax, and make sure the money that hits your bank matches what's in QuickBooks. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your company file. On the dashboard, the Create or New icon is where you record sales. Choose Sales Receipt when you're paid on the spot. Think counter service or same-day card transactions. Choose Invoice when a customer will pay later, such as catering orders or house accounts. As you create the form, pick the customer, set the date, and choose the payment method. If you combine cash and card totals and take them to the bank together, set deposit to as undeposited funds so you can group them later to mirror the real-life bank deposit. If it's a single payment going straight to the bank, you can deposit directly to that account. Before adding lines to a sale, make sure the people and items you sell are set up. From the left menu, open Customers and add a new customer. Fill in a display name, billing address, email if you'll send invoices, preferred payment terms for invoiced customers, and tax settings if they're exempt. For everyday counter sales, many restaurants use a generic customer-like counter sale to keep reports tidy without collecting personal information. Next, add what you sell. Click the gear icon, open Products and Services, and create items for menu categories or specific dishes, plus any delivery or service fees. Select the correct item type, link each to the proper income account, set a price if it's standard, and mark whether it's taxable. Clear item names make it easier to analyze sales later. When entering a sale, check the sales tax. QuickBooks can calculate it automatically based on your location, but verify the rate and which items are taxable. Restaurants often have local or district add-ons, so accuracy matters. To make matching payments painless, connect your bank. Go to Bank Transactions or Banking, link your checking and any merchant accounts, and follow the prompts to connect securely. Once connected, downloaded deposits can be matched to the sales receipts you recorded. Close the loop with a monthly reconciliation. Open Reconcile, select the statement period, enter the ending balance and date, and match every transaction until the difference is zero. If something won't match, look for missing deposits, wrong dates, or duplicates. Reconciling monthly keeps your sales, tax, and cash spot on.